What's up, guys? This is Alex over here at Bay MTB Trail, and this is just a public service announcement for my local trailing folks over here. Trail is amazing. Get it while you can. It's dry, not completely dry. It's more like getting from hero to dry. It's perfect. A couple of trees down that have been cleared up. The only one that is still there is the one that I posted on the group earlier this week towards Genoa Red Bluff. Although I managed to go under it and then my bike as well. So I did the whole route. So like I said, trail is good to go. Ride it hard, shred. That's it for this one, guys. Subscribe. See you here in the trails. Let's ride.